Are you always planning for and expecting the worst? Then Chaos to Calm can help you overcome that catastrophic thinking. In minutes, you can go from catastrophizing and always thinking of the worst case scenarios to feeling calm, confident, and relaxed again, and building trust and faith in yourself and life once more. Let's take a sneak peek inside Chaos to Calm Stop Catastrophizing mini course. Here you'll find some downloadable How Catastrophically Anxious Am I charts, so you can decide where you are on the scale before you begin, from really anxious to cool as a cucumber. We also have an anxiety awareness assessment that you can fill out before you begin, and if needs be, you can take this along to your GP before you proceed. You'll also be introduced to EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, and we have a quick anxiety stopper that you can try while confronting any fears you may find. You'll also have the opportunity to confront any of those fears, imagined or real, in the movie trailer technique in a safe environment. And everyone's favourite bit, the Chaos to Calm hypnosis audio or video, where you can relax in the comfort of your own home in bed and listen for 50 minutes to build confidence, calm, and self-confidence in life and yourself again. You don't have to live in chaos. You deserve peace of mind and to feel relaxed and calm. So join me inside Chaos to Calm Stop Catastrophizing today.